Hello again everybody, Jeremy Latham, the hip surgeon here. It's April the 3rd, 2020, the end of the second week of the lockdown here in the UK. I hope you're all managing to stay safe, well and particularly sane during this very difficult time for all of us. Our thoughts, of course, are with those people who've been directly affected by COVID, the patients who are suffering from it, the friends and families of those people who've been affected. We're also thinking very much about the frontline healthcare workers and all those people who keep the country running, the supermarket shelf stackers, the cashiers, the people who deliver our food, process our water and keep this country running. I just thought I'd give you an update about what's happening here in my practice. As you know, I'm not operating at the moment. I'm setting up ways of speaking to patients on the phone and through video consultations. So please get in touch through the office if you want to speak to me. The insurance companies are all willing to pay for consultations, so contact your provider if you have health insurance. If you're paying for yourself, we can sort out the means of billing you for that consultation. So please phone the office. The details will follow at the end of this. I've had a very interesting conversation with a patient from the United States who contacted me through the YouTube channel. So these lines of communication are obviously very important for all of us, particularly patients who are waiting for surgery. If you are thinking about having your hip replaced later this year, get in touch as soon as you can. There will be a huge backlog of cases to do once we start operating again. So the sooner you get in touch, the sooner we can start the ball rolling, process your booking, and I can get to see you as soon as we can do face-to-face consultations again. I hope you do like these videos. If you do, please subscribe to the channel. If you'd like to get in touch or have any comments, please follow the links at the end of this or phone the office or send me an email. Thanks again for watching. I'm Jeremy Latham. I'm the hip surgeon.